Hola, mamacitas. Do you love jalapeno peppers like I do? Well, here's an easy recipe that is so simple. And don't forget to save your bacon grease. I just cooked up some bacon in the pan and then I hollowed out these jalapenos. They're so hot, so I always make sure that I wear gloves when I take out the seeds. So remove all the seeds, cook your bacon, and when your bacon is crisp, take it out of the oven. And in a bowl, just mix up some cream cheese, some cheddar cheese. I added some salt and pepper to it and just mixed it all together and stuffed it into my jalapenos and topped it with just a little bit more cheese and put them in the oven at 400 degrees for a few minutes until the cheese was melted, and these were very delicious. They exceeded all expectations and they were super good and incredible. I just added my bacon. Sometimes I wrap the bacon around it before cooking it, but this time I added the bacon on top. I got it super crisp. If you don't like it as crisp as we do, you can always cook it a little less. Thank you for watching.